to Bell Tower! Yeah! Let's do this! I'm here again at my favorite location, the Bell Tower on 34th Street. I'm gonna do a bridal photo shoot, and look at this, gorgeous locations. I'm gonna show you around, and I'm gonna tell you why I like this place, because it has lots of textures. This is one of my favorite areas, and brides love to have their bridal portraits taken here. This is right outside the bridal room. It is perfect for pictures when you don't want to see your bride be seen by your guests. This is a gorgeous location. Look at these pretty doors. I love them. I usually like to photograph here and on the other side. And let's go, follow me. We have these gorgeous stairs that go to the bell, and this little door, and you just cross it, and you're here in the second entrance at the bell tower. We can also use this little spot. Look at that. It is gorgeous. Imagine one picture from here and the bride in the balcony. Pretty. I love this location. And here's the main entrance. Isn't it gorgeous? I love taking portraits here, through the window, on the door, looking the entire place, the walls, the trees, and the sky. This is amazing. Start turning your head that way, but keep looking at me. Slightly chin down. 1, 2, 3. Let's have it slightly touching your hips. Perfect. Turn on your body that way. Look at me. And again, bend your knee. Looking that way. Smile. Big smile. Perfect. Looking there, that way. Pretty. That's so pretty. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Look at me. Okay, right there. Keep spinning. Spin and keep looking at me. Big smiling smile. Spring to the other side if you can. Keep looking at me. Smile, look at me, look at me. Spin to the other side. And keep looking at me. Spinning and turn this way. Look at me as you spin. Okay, your entire body. 1, 2, 3. Push your elbow to the back. And keep your chin close to your hand, like this. Keep flirting with me. So again, actually hold. That's easier if you hold your earring. And you're gonna push your shoulder close to your chin. Close to your chin. There you go. And smile. And we have the main staircase where all the brides request their picture taken. Here's where I pose them. So now your bouquet, put it a little lower. A little and slightly on this side. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna bend your knee. So you can imitate me. So we're like this, so this foot pointing there, and then you're gonna bend. So all the weight of your body is in the right leg. So if you move this way, you shouldn't fall. Okay, and so that's it. So now you're staying here normal. Now what you're gonna do is slightly push your hips to the back, more, until it hurts. This is a workout, huh? And your chest slightly closer to me, like this, sexy. And then I'm gonna fix your neck and your head. Now, head facing me and slightly down, chin down. Try to stretch your neck, so the longer the neck, the sexier. So you're pushing your hips away, chest closer to me, and chin slightly down, but keep it stretch. A little less than that. And smile. Perfect. At the count of 3, you're gonna smile, so it looks more natural, okay? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. You know what? Let's turn more your hips that way. And again, bend your knee. Perfect. And now slightly chest closer to me and chin down. Perfect. I think that's way better. 1, 2, 3. Great. Big smile. 1, 2, 3. But this time your face is gonna be, you're gonna be looking over your shoulder. That's why I'm moving like, so your body again that way. Bending your knee, hips away, chest close to me. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's break it in steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great, perfect, perfect. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna keep turning only your face and looking at your mom. Perfect, and chin lower, perfect. 1, 2, 3, big smile, big smile. Okay, big smile, 1, 2, 3. And now the count of 3, you're gonna let it go, like this. Okay, and smiling. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, but let's do it like if you wanted to. So you're gonna do this movement and let it go. Perfect, looking that way and big smile. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. That's so pretty. I'm gonna make a high-speed picture. I'm gonna make everything dark. Perfect. That's perfect. You know what? Let's do it. Let me see how it looks here. And now let me see how it looks with your hands as close as they can to each other. Like this. And crossing and do this. And chin down. That looks perfect. I know the sun is. Okay, ready? Push your chest closer to me. Head that way. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, and 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Think that's good? Was that hard? Yeah. It was like a Zumba and CrossFit together. Okay, you did great, Shelby. Tengo mucho calor.